Good morning children. Let's start chapter 17 today, triangles and quadrilaterals. So before knowing about triangles, quadrilaterals, first of all understand what is polygon. So polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure made up of line segment only. It should not be made up of any kind of curves. Okay, only it should be made up of straight line segment. Okay, these are called polygon, and polygon should be closed figure, not open. Got it? So you can see this is made up of three line segments, so it is also polygon. This is also made up of line segment, it is also polygon. But here you can see here a line segment also, but there is a curves also. You can see here is curve, so this is not a polygon. This is a polygon. All the sides are made up of line segment. Here you can see it is a curve, so it is not a polygon. And all these polygons are closed, okay, from all the sides. So simple, polygons, what is polygon you have understood. Now types of polygon. So there are different types of polygon, students, and polygon start with three-sided figure because with two sides figure cannot be closed. Okay, so minimum three side it is needed to make any kind of polygon. So triangle is also a polygon. It has three sides and all the sides are straight line segment. Quadrilateral, four-sided, this is also a polygon. Pentagon, five-sided figure. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon, all these are made up of line segment and it is closed. So all these are polygon. But what is this regular and irregular? Regular means if all the sides are equal, then it is called regular. And irregular if the sides are not equal. All are different sides. Okay? You can see square. It is what type of polygon? It is a square because it's all the sides are equal. But it is irregular figure. It is also a polygon. It is a quadrilateral because it has four sides, but it is irregular. Irregular means all the sides are different. Got it? Now, we will learn about triangle. What is triangle? Have you seen this triangle before? Definitely yes. Then tell me what is this triangle and what are the things or qualities in these triangles there are. So there are different because it is a polygon and it is a closed figure and it has three sides AB, AC and BC. You can see there are three sides in the triangle, and also what you can see in this figure, what do you observe? Only it has three sides. No, it has three vertices also. Vertices A, B, C. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. And it has three interior angles. These are called angles. Okay. Now, triangles are of different types. What are the types of triangle? So classification of triangle is also given, that is on the basis of sides and on the basis of these angles we will classify the triangle. Okay, on the basis of sides means, see here properly, it is isosceles triangle. What is this isosceles triangle? So isosceles triangle, the triangle which has two sides equal. Only two sides, okay? Any two. This two also, or this two. So two sides equal, third side will not be equal. That is called isosceles triangle. Got it? Now what is equilateral? Equilateral word means equal. The word equilateral is derived from equal. So when the triangle has all the three sides equal, this is also 3 centimeter, this is also, all the three sides are equal. So it is called equilateral triangle. Scalene. When a triangle has no sides equal, means it's all the sides will be different. So this is called scalene triangle. Got it? On the basis of sides, we have classified the triangle into three categories, types: isosceles, equilateral or scalene triangle. Now on the basis of angles. So on the basis of angles, you can see this angle is 80 degree, this angle is 45, this is 55. So what kind of triangle it is? This is called acute angle triangle. Why it is called acute? Acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degree. So you can see it's all the angles are less than 90 degree. So the triangle whose all the angles are less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Okay. Now what is obtuse angle triangle? The triangle in which one of the angles should be more than 90 degree. You can see these two are acute, but this is obtuse angle more than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Got it? Now what is right angle triangle? Very simple. The triangle in which any one of the angle means one of the angle should be 90 degree. Then it is called right angle triangle. Got it, students? There are actually 6 types of triangle on the basis of sides 3, on the basis of angle 3. Clear? Now we will understand about one of the very important property of triangle. There is a relation between this interior angle and exterior angle. Interior angle, we know interior part of triangle is this and its exterior part is this, outside. Okay, so interior angles are these 3 angles are interior. But what is exterior angle? The angle which is made outside, simple. Outside of this triangle is this angle. So this exterior angle is related to this interior angle. How? This is only the property. Understand it properly, okay? The exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle. Means this exterior angle will be equal to sum of these two opposite. Opposite word is very important here, because for this exterior angle, which are the two opposite interior angle? This you will not take. This is also interior, but it is not opposite to this exterior. Opposite is this two. Okay, this is beside one. Okay, opposite means student just सामने वाला angles. इसके सामने वाले angles ये है, ये तो बिल्कुल बगल वाले है ना, beside it. So don't take beside angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle. So what will be the value of this? Just added this 70 plus 40, that is equal to 110 degree. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. Got it? So what is the relation? You can write it, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay. Now there is only one exterior angle in a triangle. No, you can make one more exterior angle. You can see this side. This is also exterior angle. So what will be its value? Can you tell me? This is equal to two opposite interior. For this, what is the two opposite interior? This two. Do not take this because it is beside one. So this 270 plus 40 again 110. Okay. Now, I want to make one more exterior angle here. This. So this exterior angle is equal to the which two opposite? For this, which is two opposite interior? This 270 plus 70, that is equal to 140 degree. So one more exterior I want to make. So here, if you will extend this side, we will get one more exterior. This is equal to which two opposite interior? This two again. This will be 140 only. Okay. So this is called exterior angle property. Now what is median of a triangle? This is also very important, student. Median is, in a triangle, the line which is joined from vertex to the opposite side of a triangle, and it is joined to the midpoint of this opposite side. Midpoint means middle point. Simple. Middle point means this side is equal to this side. This is called median. Median is a line segment which is joined from the vertex to the opposite side's midpoint. Okay, so this side will be equal to this side. This will divide it always in a equal half. Suppose this is point D. So BD will be equal to DC. So there is only one median in a triangle. No, we can make one more median. You can see this is also vertex and this is also midpoint of this side, opposite side. Suppose this is E. So BE is the median to the side AC. So this side will be equal to this side. So AE equal to EC. So similarly, we can make one more median. So what is median, you understood? The line segment joining from the vertex to the opposite side's midpoint, that is called median, which will divide the opposite side into two equal half. Got it? Now what is altitude? So altitude is also this type of line joining the vertex to the opposite side of a triangle, but it is not a median. Okay, it is not necessary that the altitude will also pass through the midpoint. Yes, but altitude always makes 90 degree to the opposite side. Means the line which is joining from the vertex to the opposite sides perpendicularly. Perpendicularly means it will make a 90 degree angle. Okay, so there is only one altitude. No, you can make one more. Suppose this is also line segment joining vertex to the opposite side and making the right angle or perpendicular, you can say. So there is one more. 3 altitude you can draw maximum. Similarly 3 median you can draw maximum in a triangle. So what is the difference between median and altitude, student? Median will always divide the opposite sides into two equal half because it passes through the midpoint of the opposite side. But altitude doesn't divide the opposite side into equal half, but it makes 90 degree or it passes through perpendicular line from the vertex to the opposite side. Okay, got it? Now we will come to the exercise question. Okay, now I have explained you. Classify the triangle shown below on the basis of their sides. I have explained you on the basis of sides, triangles are of different types: isosceles, equilateral, scalene. Now tell me, this is which type of triangle? These two sides are equal. This is also 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. But this is not. So this is isosceles triangle. Okay. Similarly, you can see all the sides are different. All the sides are different in scalene triangle. So this is scalene triangle. You have to draw this in your notebook and then you write the answer. Okay. Don't write in the book only. I am writing because I just have to explain you, but you have to do it in a notebook. Now you can see in this all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal means definitely it is an equilateral triangle. Simple. Question number 2. Classify the triangle shown below on the basis of their angles. Now on the basis of angle, you can see all the sides are equal and one of the angle is 60 degree. So all the angle will be 60, 60, 60 because it is equilateral triangle. So what type of triangle it is? Acute angle triangle because all the angles is less than 90 degree. This one 45 plus 30. That is equal to 75. And this angle value will be what? Do you know the angle sum property of a triangle? Sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So if two angles you know, you can find out the third angle. This angle will be 180 minus 75, that is equal to 115. So this is 115, and as I have told you, any one angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is obtuse angle triangle. Now this one, 60 plus 30, 90. So you just subtract 180 minus 90 to find out this angle. This is 90 degree. So if any one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Got it? Now question number 3. Distinguish the following triangle on the basis of their sides and angle. This time you have to say on the basis of sides and on the basis of angle also. Can you say? You can see this, all the sides are equal and all the angles are less than 90 degree. So it is equilateral triangle and also it is acute angle triangle. So both you have to write. Tell me this. All the sides are different, but one of them. Hello children. Let's start with question number 4. Exercise 17.2. Okay. What is the sum of opposite angles of a square? You know, a square has 4 angles and what are they? All the angles of a square is 90 degree. Here you have to find out the sum of opposite angles. Do you know what is opposite angles? Suppose this is a square. Opposite angles are this two. Opposite angles are this two. So these are two opposite angles and this is also two opposite angles. And we know that 90 degree, each corner angle is 90 degree. So opposite angle sum will be angle A plus angle C, or you can say angle B plus angle D. Okay, these are the opposite angles. So angle A plus angle C, A and C are two opposite angles. You can write B and D also as you wish. So I have written angle A and angle C. So sum of this angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So sum of the opposite angles of a square, write down here. Sum of opposite angles of a square is 180 degree. Okay. Question number 5. What is the difference between any two adjacent angles of a rectangle? What is adjacent angle? I have explained you in the last video. Adjacent angles, the angles which is on the same line. So this angle and this angle are two adjacent, or you can say these two angles are adjacent, or you can say these two angles are also adjacent, or these two also. What are opposite? These two are opposite angles, these two are opposite. We have to find out the difference between any two adjacent angle of a rectangle. So you can take difference between of these two. And in rectangle also all the angles are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So difference between any two adjacent angle will be what? 90 minus 90, that is 0. So you can say two adjacent angles are angle D you can take and angle C. So angle D minus angle C will be equal to what? 90 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 0. Okay. Difference between any two. You can take this two also. Angle B minus angle C, 90 minus 90, 0. You can take this two also as you wish. Okay. Understood? Now question number 6. In a parallelogram PQRS, if PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, what is the measure of RS? First you just make parallelogram. Question number 6. How to draw parallelogram? Parallelogram side is little slant, okay, not like a rectangle straight. Rectangle makes 90 degrees, so its sides are straight, okay. Here I am going to make ABCD is a parallelogram. What are the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. Here, oh sorry, we have to write the name of parallelogram PQRS, not ABCD. So suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and PQ value is given, that is 5 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. We have to find out the measure of RS. So as I have told you, opposite sides of a parallelogram equal. So RS will also be 5 centimeter. So you write down like this, PQ is equal to RS. Reason, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. This is parallelogram symbol. Okay, 2 line and GM you write down. It means parallelogram. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So RS will also be, you write down RS is equal to 5 centimeter. Got it? PQ and RS both will be same. Now question number last 7. Two sides of a kite measure 15 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Two sides of a kite. Find the measure of its remaining sides. Figure of kite. You know its two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So one side is given 15 and one side is 27. Means suppose this is 15 and this is 27. So what are these two sides? So you know these two are equal. So this is 15. So this will also be 15. This is 27. So this will also be 27. Can you do this? You have to first draw the figure of kite like this. These two sides will be equal and you can take these two sides. You show that these two are equal. This is a kite. Okay. Suppose this is given 15 centimeter and this is 27 centimeter. Longer is 27, 15 is shorter. Okay. So we have to find out the measure of its remaining sides. P, Q, R, S. So PQ is equal to RS. Okay. So why you will write the two pair of equal adjacent sides, because a kite has equal adjacent sides. Okay. Equal adjacent sides. So RS will also be, or PS, not RS, PS will also be, this is PQ and this is PS. Don't write RS, this is PS. PQ will be equal to PS, not RS. QR will be equal to RS. So PS will be equal to what? 15 centimeter. Now you have to find this one also. So QR is equal to RS. Here also same reason. Equal adjacent sides. So RS will also be equal to 27 centimeter. These are the remaining two sides. Okay. Question number 7. Like this you have to do. So students, rest of the question, all the questions we have done, but there is some practice time questions and some mental maths. These are very important. Fill in the blanks, true, false are very important. Okay. You have to do it by yourself. Next day we will start the new chapter.